Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 154,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.